Feifei. Tick, paint. Good. Go get that, please. Thank you. Bleeding tennis ball. Okay, ready? And, you know, you could use the other side of this canvas. I'm just saying. Tick, paint, paint. Pick it up. Paint. Kind of drop it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Take it.
No? Okay.
Tick, paint. Good. That was my jeans. That's okay. Ah! Shh. Tick, paint, paint, paint. No. I would like more than one stroke, please. You were doing 3 yesterday. Tick, paint, paint, paint. Good. That was kind of getting there. They're running out of paint.
Already?
Yeah, well, there's only little bitty cups.
We should honestly get bowls of paint.
We should. Okay.
Oh god.
What? Oh, my hands. Yeah, okay. Luckily, this is non-toxic because it's child's paint, so she's okay. We should make sure we put that in the record, though, so no one yells at us. Tick, paint, paint, paint. Nope. Try that again. Come on, Feifei. Come on, Feifei. Tick, paint, paint. Oh, good girl. That was a nice one.
Did that do anything?
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh, you're not supposed to let it take over here.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I think I'd like to move on to orange if you're okay with that.
I would like more red. To
Well,
be
we're
perfectly honest with you.
pretty much out of red, so
How much out of red?
well, come look.
Like out? Don't have any red, period? Oh, we're out of red.
I'm trying to tell you. Thank you.
Just take your cheeses.
I will. And I'm going to move on to the orange.
One thing.
Tick, paint, paint, paint. All right, try again. Tick, paint, paint. Good girl. Do you see that stroke?
I do.
That was my fingers, Faye. Thank you. Faye, watch. No, leave it. Watch. Here and here. Okay, you ready? Okay, over here. Yep. Back up. Okay, sit. Tick, paint, paint. Good. Good girl. We got some patterns there. You ready? Right here. Up.
What was that?
She lunged. Take paint. Faye, I know that's your favorite spot and all, but let's get more creative, okay? Faye, take paint. No, Faye.
Not the same spot.
Over here. Over here. Ready? Take paint. Paint. No, Faye. Come on. Take paint. No. Take. No. Right here. Paint. No.
Is there any paint on there?
No. Take paint. No. Looking too far. Come on, Feifei. Feifei! Sit. You ready? You ready? Right here. Take paint. Good girl! You get double cheese for that. Good job. Okay, Feifei. Are you ready? Take paint. Paint. I'd like 2 paints, please. Take paint, 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 paint. No. Try again. You ready? Come in. Take paint. Okay, good girl. Let's try again. Come here. Take paint, 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 paint. Good girl. We'll take that. And there's a lot of yellow on there. Sort of. Are you ready? Okay, sit. Say hello. Good job. Tick, paint, paint, paint. What was that? She's just like, bleh. Okay, try this again, Faye. Come on. Paint, tick, paint, paint, paint. Good girl. And somehow there's a piece of cheese over there. You ready, ready, ready? You ready, ready, ready? Faye, tick, paint. Good girl, but you can do better. Come on. Tick, paint. Nope. Faye, over here. Faye, tick, paint. Good girl. Leave it, but watch the cheese. Doop, doop, sit. No. Okay, did you get enough?